Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 11th Commerce and Science English medium. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the lesson number 6, the Browning version. Okay, this lesson is taken from the book Hornbill. Okay, so this is Browning. Browning means what? So Browning means this word Browning is taken from the it is the reference with the play of Robert Browning's translation of Greek tragedy. Okay, this is one part of that tragedy, and Terence Rattigan was the writer of this lesson. So in this is one, you can say this is one play. Okay, in that play there are many characters. Okay, and this is very interesting play regarding with the education. Okay, so very beautifully described by the writer. Let's see what is there in this lesson. This is an extract from the Browning version. So this is the extract means one small part is taken from the Browning version. Okay, Browning version means, I told you before that Browning version means the reference within the play of Robert Browning's translation of Greek tragedy. Okay, so this is the extract of that. The scene is set in a school. The scene which is given into this lesson is about the school. Okay, Frank is a young and Crocker Harris mid age. Okay, in this play the main two characters are there. Number one is a Frank is a young man, and Crocker Harris is a middle age person. Both are masters, and both are master means teachers in the school. Taplow is a boy of 16 who has come in to do extra work for a Crocker Harris. Okay, Taplow is a name of a student. Okay, who is one boy 16 years old and who has to come extra work for a Crocker Harris. Okay, so there are three characters introduced in the first paragraph. Number one is Frank is a young teacher. Okay, number two, Crocker Harris is a middle age. Okay, they both are masters means both are teacher. Okay, and number three, Taplow is a boy who is about the 16 years old, and he has a extra work from the Crocker Harris, but the later has not yet arrived, about the work. Okay, and the Frank finds Taplow's waiting. Frank find that Taplow is waiting for something, and this way the conversation start between Frank and Taplow. Okay, another time I will explain about the characters. Frank is a young teacher, okay, who is working, young master, and number two character is Crocker Harris. Is a middle age person, and Taplow is a student. Now the lesson is start with the conversation of the Frank and Taplow. Okay, now Frank, do I know you? Frank asked the Taplow that do I know you? Okay, क्या मैं आपको जानता हूँ? Taplow say no sir. Okay, Frank say what's your name? Okay, Taplow say Taplow. Frank said Taplow, no, I don't know. You are not a scientist. You are not a scientist, I gather. Okay. To Frank replied to the Taplow that you are not scientist. I gather means जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है वहाँ तक तुम साइंटिस्ट तो नहीं हो. तो Taplow से no sir, I am not still in the lower fifth. Okay, तो वो कहता है he replied to the Frank that no sir, I am still in the lower fifth. He is studying in a lower fifth. I can't specialized until next term, and until next term he didn't get any speciality of any field. Okay, that's to say, if I give I have got my remove all right. Okay, so he told to the Taplow, he told to the Frank that until he get passed in all the subjects or removed from all the subjects, till that he will not join the next term, and if he hadn't complete the next term, he couldn't be the specialist in any of the field, in any of his subject. Okay, so this is the reply which was given by the Taplow to the Frank. Now Frank say don't you know if you haven't got your remove, okay, don't you know if you have got your remove, okay, तो तुझे पता नहीं है, इफ़ यू डोंट नो कि आपको अपना जो रिमूव है वो मिल गया है, बराबर है। तो टेप्लो कहता है नो सर, मिस्टर क्रॉकर हैरिस डजंट टेल अस द रिजल्ट लाइक द अदर मास्टर। नाउ Crocker Harris is a very strict person, strict teacher. So other teacher tell the students about their result or remove. Okay, remove means result. Okay, उनके मार्क्स जो थे वो दूसरे टीचर्स बता देते थे, बट क्रॉकर हैरिस वॉज अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट पर्सन. सो टेप्लो here introduced about her nature towards the subject that Crocker Harris didn't tell about the result like a other master. Other master told, but Crocker Harris is very strict related to the result. Okay, Frank say why not. Frank asked to the Tableau that why not, क्यों नहीं बताते हैं. Tableau say well you know what he is like sir. Okay, you know आपको पता है वो कैसे है सर. Okay, तो Frank say I believe there is a rule that from the result should only announced by the headmaster on the last day of term. Okay, Frank say I believe means I know that there is a rule in our school that the result was only announced by the headmaster of the school at the last day of the term. So Tableau replied his answer yes, but who else pay attention to it, okay, except Mr. Crocker Harris. But whatever the instructions were given by the headmaster, no one from his staff or from his teachers followed his attention, okay, or followed his instruction. So except Mr. Crocker Harris. Crocker Harris is the only person who paid the attention on Mr. Headmaster's notice. Okay, so Frank replied I don't admit. Okay, Frank replied that I admit, मैं मानता हूँ, but that's not criterion, so you have go to wait until tomorrow to know your fate, have you. Okay, so here he told that कि मैं मानता हूँ उसके बारे में, लेकिन कल तक यू हैव टू वेट फॉर योर फेट, मतलब आपका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा. फेट मीन्स फ्यूचर, के भविष्य. तो टुमारो तक आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा. यू मस्ट हैव टू वेट अंटिल टुमारो बिकॉज टुमारो यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट ऑफ योर्स. ओके, तो टेप्लो कहता है यस सर. नाउ फ्रैंक सेड supposing the answer is favorable, what then. Okay, तो supposing the answer is favorable means के चलो अगर तुम्हारे अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए, if you got a good marks in your subject or in your standard, what then. तो उसके बाद क्या करोगे. तो टेप्लो से oh science sir, of course, then after I will take the science. Frank sadly yes, we get all the slackers. Okay, तो वो टेप्लो कहता है कि we get all the slackers. Okay, we get all the slackers. तो टेप्लो कहता है कि हमारे यहाँ पे तो सभी क्या है, स्लैकर्स है. स्लैकर्स मीन्स कि भाई एक दूसरे को फॉलोअर करने वाले. टेप्लो कहता है प्रोटेस्टिंगली, मतलब अपना बचाव करते हुए, आई एम एक्सट्रीमली इंटरेस्टेड इन साइंस. ओके, टेप्लो सेड दैट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ माई करियर आई एम एक्सट्रीमली इंटरेस्टेड इन साइंस सर. फ्रैंक सेज आर यू श्योर. आई एम नॉट एट लीस्ट in the science I have to teach. Okay, so Tableau told to the Frank that he is very much interested into the science, but Frank, in spite of being the science teacher, he didn't have any interest into the science. So he said to the Tableau that are you interested in the science only. Okay, I am not interested in the science even though I am teaching into the science. Okay, now Tableau said well anyway sirs, it's good deal, more exciting than this Musk, indicating this book. Now Frank show that now Tableau show one book to the Frank. Okay, तो monk, MUCK, monk is a name of or entitle of a one book which is very much informative about the science. Okay, so he show that book to the Frank that, well, anyway sir, it's a good deal. Okay, more exciting than this. Okay, monk से ज़्यादा exciting. What is this monk? Okay, now Frank asked to the टैप्लो दैट ये मंक क्या है. ओके, तो टैप्लो रिप्लाई टू हिम, टैप्लो उसको रिप्लाई करता है कि एचियल्स सर द एग मेमन. ओके, द एचियस सर एग मेमन, इट इज़ अ डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट द एग मेमन. तो फ्रैंक सेज एंड you considered view is that the Agamemnon is monk. ओके, तो वो कहता है कि भाई आर यू कंसिडर, तुझे ऐसा लगता है कि Agamemnon इज़ अ मंक के एक बेकार बुक है. ठीक है, तो टैप्लो रिप्लाइड हिम वेल नो सर. टैप्लो रिप्लाइड हिम दैट नहीं सर, मुझे नहीं लगता है. आई डोंट थिंक द प्ले इज़ मंक, के ये जो प्ले है वो बेकार है. Exactly. I suppose in a way it's a rather a good plot. ठीक है, he described about that monk that I suppose, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ऐसा कहूँगा कि rather a good plot, मतलब इसके अंदर एक अच्छी स्टोरी है. Really a wife murdering her husband and all that. Okay, in this monk there is a story in which a wife is murdering her husband and everything everything else was also given there. I only meant the way is taught to us. Just a lot Greek word. What is the important thing to learn from that book? Just a Greek words stunning together and 50 lines if you get them wrong. Okay, तो स्ट्रंग टुगेदर मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ अच्छी तरीके से घुल मिल गई, इतनी अच्छी ब्यूटीफुली डिस्क्राइब करके ये स्टोरी बनाई है, तो आप उसके अंदर से बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो. तो फ्रैंक से यू साउंड अ लिटल बिटर टैप्लो, तुम अजीब तरीके से बात कर रहे हो. फ्रैंक टोल्ड टू द टैप्लो, टैप्लो से आई एम रादर सर. ओके, हाँ मैं करता हूँ. फ्रैंक से कैप्ट इन ई. ओके, तो वो है तू मतलब यहाँ पे वो पूछ रहा है कि तू स्कूल कंप्लीट तो हो गई है, द स्कूल इज़ नाउ ओवर राइट नाउ, सो यू आर डूइंग एक्स्ट्रा वर्क हियर. ओके, टैप्लो से नो सर एक्स्ट्रा वर्क, यस मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे ही फालतू में नहीं बैठा हूँ, मैं एक्स्ट्रा वर्क के लिए बैठा हूँ. फ्रैंक से एक्स्ट्रा वर्क ऑन द लास्ट डे ऑफ द स्कूल. फ्रैंक आस्क्ड टू द टैप्लो दैट एक्स्ट्रा वर्क, विच एक्स्ट्रा वर्क आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑन द लास्ट डे ऑफ द स्कूल. Who is doing the extra work? Okay, so this is the last day and tomorrow will be the result, so who is doing the extra work and why are you doing the extra work here? Okay, he asked to the Taplo. Now Taplo replied, what is the extra work about? Yes sir, and I might be playing golf. Okay, शायद मैं गोल्फ भी खेलने जा सकता था. You would think he would have enough to do anyway himself, considering he is having tomorrow for good, but oh no, I missed a day last week when I was ill, so here I am and look at the weather sir. So he described that कि मैं जो भी हूँ वो अपने आप के लिए कुछ बहुत कुछ कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है, आई एम डूइंग मैनी ऑफ द थिंग्स फॉर मी ओनली. ओके, लेकिन वो कल जा रहे हैं और इसके लिए लास्ट वीक मैं बीमार पड़ गया था, इसकी वजह से मुझे यहाँ पे आना पड़ा. ओके, मतलब कि मुझे रुक के मैं नहीं आ पाया था लास्ट वीक, इसकी वजह से मुझे यहाँ पे रुक के काम करना पड़ रहा है और इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. और आप देख सकते हो बाहर वेदर कितना बेकार है. तो फ्रैंक से बैड लक, बहुत ही ख़राब है. स्टिल देयर इज़ नो कम्फर्ट. ओके, फिर भी अच्छी बात यह है, देयर इज़ वन कम्फर्ट, अच्छी बात यह है, यू आर प्रीटी वेल सर्टेन टू गेट योर रिमूव टुमारो फॉर बीइंग अ गुड बॉय इन टेकिंग एक्स्ट्रा वर्क. लेकिन तुम्हारे लिए अच्छी बात यह है कि तुमने एक एक्स्ट्रा काम किया है, इसकी वजह से तुमको कल रिमूव मिल जाएगा. मीन्स यू विल गेट द अपर ग्रेड्स, अपर क्लास इन द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग वेन एवर यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट, इट विल बी डेफिनेटली इन योर फेवर. ओके, तो टिल हियर वी स्टॉप्ड आवर एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट द Browning version part number 2 related to this video. whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you to the PDF. You have to write down that one in your notebook. In our next video we will discuss about the part number 2 of this lesson. Okay, bye, take care.